What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Show you guys the trade I am currently in. We're about to hit second TP. Um, at here, over there. Let me see. So the last 5. Minusly out all right here. This is what I took today. 1 to 3. Only risked 4%. Let's see. We are now back up on the funded. So, wow, guys. What a roller coaster of a week, right? Oh my goodness. What a roller coaster. We got out right here. I could have held it up here, but I'm not going to be greedy within this market. I'm good, right? So, geez Louise, I'm kind of astonished at how this week was, to be honest with you guys. Like, if you haven't seen day 10, please go see day 10. I talk about how I broke my rules, and after I broke my rules, how I lost 800 for the day because I lost my risk management rule. I threw that out the window. But yeah, I snipped I snipped 5 here, snipped 5 here, and then the other 5, or the other 3, I think, something like that. I entered with 15 contracts, I'm pretty sure. So 5, 10. Yeah, I entered with 15 contracts. So, anyways, let's get back on this bias. If it wants to let me. Okay, so I enter in the charts, right? And what I see today are same thing. Keep it simple. On the 4-hour, I didn't see anything. On NQ, I didn't see anything. Okay, yo, I'm getting distracted. Like, my mind's just wandering, bro. What in the world? Alright, so on on NQ, I have simple marks today. I didn't want to see anything too crazy, right? So, on NQ, I mark out these lows, and these highs. We were in the middle by the time I got on the markets, like at 9. Yes, I did the same exact thing. Okay, so I mark out these highs, right? And then I mark out these hourly lows, this hourly low, I think this was a 4-hour low. And then I scale down, right? I'm just waiting to see what market does. And let me put this where it goes. And boom. So after that, I see that market's really just not being sloppy, but as far as like clean PA, it wasn't giving me the best, right? So I'm on ES. So I see that we have this imbalance and it comes up and it inverses it, right? And then we sweep the highs. So for me, this is like, okay, same thing as yesterday. We sweep highs, I'm gonna go to the lows, right? But then after that, um, on ES, I saw that we ended up sweeping all these lows, right? And I had these lows marked out, these two lows, but we technically already swept these two. I mean, this low right here. So this candle swept out these lows and then came up a little bit, and then we just came in to sweep more, and then that's why my bullish bias stayed, right? So I'm like, okay, let me see what happens. So we break structure here, right? After that, we come up, and this is what I was talking about, right? We were just playing sloppy. So we have this imbalance, volume imbalance, right? We come in it, we come up. We have this bullish imbalance, and we inverse it, right? So for me, it's like, it was just playing weird, right? So after this, I just simply wait, see what's going on. Right, Q, same thing. I had these highs marked off, but I started asking myself, like, is this really a liquidity sweep, or are we just going to the gap up here that isn't mitigated? And if I didn't talk about that, I have an is it yeah, I have a 4 hour unmitigated gap right here marked off. This same thing, 4 hour unmitigated area. So my bias was super, like, it didn't have to be bearish, and it didn't have to, like, it was based off of what PA did that I was gonna fix my bias, right? So let's scale down to the 1 minute. This is NQ. Um, yeah, so I see that price is basically just not really respecting anything, right? We have this bullish imbalance inverses, and then we come up, and then we inverse this bearish imbalance, right? So it was just a lot of inverses. So I just waited and saw what PA wanted to do, right? And did we make an SMT? I can't remember, to be honest with you guys. No, we didn't. We didn't. It's basically what we did today. Cool little trade. Long John Silvered it right here. Perfect entry, guys. Risked about, had my stop loss right here, I'm pretty sure. Got out right up here. Nah, that's a lie. Got out right here. 1 to 3.56. And on the funded, we are now up 216. We're working our way up. We lost about, how much did we lose last time? 800. We made back 700 yesterday. And then today we made 786. Let me see. Calculator. Yeah, we could have held this a little longer, but I'm not getting greedy. You know what I mean? It is what it is. I'm happy with the trade. I go for 1 to 2s. This was a good trade. I'm in and out. That's it. So we made 430 on today. We made, oh my gosh, what a bounce back, guys. Give a round of applause for us. You see, that day that I broke my rules, and the day that everything felt like it was crashing, was more valuable than any other take profit I could have taken that day. Because after that day, I sat down, I wrote things, I made sure I followed things I had to follow. However, this doesn't mean I'm going to take uh, the best trades in the world now. No. I'm going to just be more mindful of my rules, right? So, like I said, dude, this was a crazy week for sure, dude. We were at 50k. We dropped down to 49.93 in one trade because I just lost everything. Patience, rules, trading rules, everything. And then I made it back. I made back 700 yesterday with one trade, and then I made 430 today. We're back in profit. Just like that, guys. So, my what I'm trying to say is, no matter what, in these prop firms and fundeds and all that, bro, don't just blow your accounts and all that, because just in just by you simply locking in and following your rules, whatever it is, you could bounce right back. So with that being said, guys, I think that's all I'm gonna do for today's video. I'm gonna wrap it up. Good trade today, and yeah, catch you guys in tomorrow's video, or No, not tomorrow. I don't post Saturdays and Sundays too because market's not open. But if I want to post like a motivational video or something, I'll post it. But like and subscribe, uh, comment. My Instagram is gonna be down below. Peace.